Hello guys, this video is for the people that asking me where to start with Builderall. Okay, where to start is its all-in-one marketing platform that have over 100 features and 50 plus tools, and people are overwhelmed and don't know where to start. Okay, so this video will be a short one and will help you to start. Okay, so in order to start, let's go to our Builderall dashboard. Okay, and all we need to do is to go to the new knowledge base. Okay, here is all the info, all the help, all the explanations for all the tools, and this is the place to start. Okay, and when you start, you need to start with this video. This video of Frank explains everything from start to finish. Okay, it's a bird's view. Okay, it's not everything because you can't explain in 8 minutes about everything that you have in Builderall, but it's the place to start. He goes over the tools, he goes over the menus and explain how to start with Builderall with this knowledge base. Okay, then here is you have some Facebook groups. Okay, Facebook groups that all the Builderall's users are connected to to those groups and can ask questions, can read information, can look for other things. Okay, in these groups and also in this knowledge base, all you need to do is to write what you want. Okay, website for example, okay, and it will show you all the things that you can take, uh, you can search for and learn with videos or with textual explanation. Okay, now you also have here getting started. It is Frank will explain it in the video, but you also can see the Builderall tools. You can go and click on every tool and to see what are the tools about. And this is the place to start with Builderall. Okay, I understand this is all-in-one tool with many tools, and it's overwhelming, but we have to start somewhere. Okay, and this is the place to start in this knowledge base in this Frank's video. Okay, so uh, Ah, another thing that I wanted to tell you and to show you, it's after the knowledge base, there is another place that called a blog. Where did I put it? Here is Builderall blog. Okay, in Builderall blog, there is many articles that you can read about the Builderall, about the marketing. Okay, and it's a very good place also to start to read, to search for something that you need. Okay, something that you need, search and read. Okay, so first one is the knowledge base, the video friend, the Facebook groups, and then the blog you can read. And there is another thing that if you will be interested, I will link it in the comments. Comment. There is Builder University with all the guys from Builderall, the guys that teaching us affiliates or just business owners to use Builderall platform, okay? Because it's such a big platform with so many tools, it's hard to grasp everything, but we need to start somewhere. So here is where to start and have a good luck. And if you need, you can place a comment below and I will try to help you to find something that you can't find. Okay, so have a nice day and bye bye.